What's up mga quiz mga atis? Welcome back sa akin channel. This is Quiz Alan at ngayong araw papanoorin natin yung ah, bagong trailer. First trailer ng pinakabagong Spider-Man movie at ito yung Spider-Man Brand New Day. Na same bida pa rin si Tom Holland, di ba? So I think this is the fourth installment ng Spider-Man na ng Marvel or ng DCEU or ng Sony Picture yun na ang bida si Tom Holland. So hindi mamaya natin pag-usapan yan. Unahin mo lang panoorin natin yung video. So sabahan niyo ako panoorin ng trailer. So let's go!
I can't believe our first hit MIT! MJ, come on, pretend like you're not the happiest you've ever been in your entire life.
I can't.
I knew it!
Hi, my name is Peter Parker. You don't remember me, but we used to know each other. Something bad was going to happen, and the only way to stop it was to make everyone forget about me. Because I'm not just Peter Parker. I'm Spider-Man.
The hell, Frank? You just hit me with the van!
Quit your whimpering. Suit yourself. Mother.
Go home! And sometimes Spider-Man has to do the hard thing, even if it breaks Peter Parker's heart. What is happening to me? Excuse me, Dr. Banner. I need your help.
What did you say your name was? If DNA is mutating, it would be enormously dangerous.
Spiders have 3 life cycles. When between cycles, it can leave the spider vulnerable to threats.
We are faced with a danger that we can't control. One we can't even see.
Stay out of my way. You're losing it, kid.
And for those spiders who make it through, it amounts to a kind of rebirth.
Nice flowers.
Oh, they're a housewarming gift.
I'm MJ.
I'm just a neighbor from across the hall.
Friendly neighbor.
Okay, ito yung kalapanood natin yung latest na trailer ng pinakabagong installment ng Spider-Man ng Sony Pictures. At ito yung Spider-Man Brand New Day na same bida pa rin, si Tom Holland. And yan, pang-apat na installment na to. So, I think this is the longest installment ng Spider-Man. Kasi remember the original Spider-Man under Sony, kung saan ang bida si Tobey Maguire hanggang 3 lang. Then sumunod si Andrew Garfield, I think 2 or 3 rin. And this one is 4th. 4. So this is the longest. So I think mayroon pa mga plans in the future na umabot pa ng 5. Based to sa nakita kong trailer, I think medyo may parang something different dito sa makikita natin dito sa Spider-Man Brand New Day kasi like what is mentioned sa title, Brand New Day. So ibig sabihin parang nagsi-search ng something new si Spider-Man dito sa movie na to, unlike to sa first 3 na movie niya. So this one parang mayroon siyang parang hinahanap sa sarili niya na parang katulad rin in the past, diba, like to sa past, sa original series, original trilogy ng Spider-Man na Spider-Man 3, di ba? Na parang mayroon siyang sinesearch sa sarili niya. So this one here, mayroon siya, parang may pinagdadaanan siya, something emotional, di ba? And yun. So far, wala naman ako nakikita problema with this series, this movie. CGI, special effects, no problem. Magaling, magandang pagkagawa pa rin. The acting, ganun. Siguro ang talagang titingnan natin is the storyline ng movie. Kung makikita ba natin yung this will be a good movie, o di ba? Kasi yung may well, I can say na magaganda naman yung mga naunang tatlong movie ni Tom Holland as na Spider-Man. Tingnan natin kung masusurpass niya yung unang tatlo, di ba? So, with this movie. So, yun lang masasabi ko, I'm very happy for this movie. Actually, not totally happy. Kasi, okay na yung trilogy niya eh. Pero, nadagdagan pa. Di ba? Ng isa. And because this is a money maker naman kasi itong movie niya. Yung sana, kailangan nilang continuous gumawa ng mga movies na related kay Spider-Man. So, they did in the past yung mga movies like Venom, sino ba? Morbius, saka sino isa? Na, yung Venom successful, but Morbius saka isa pa, medyo nag-fail. So, nakatipente sila to sa kay Venom, kay Spider-Man, saka yung animated na Spider-Verse, di ba? So, para manatili sa Sony Pictures yung rights ng Spider-Man, di ba? Sorry. Yun. So, kayo mag-quiz mga artist, ano masasabi niyo doon sa bagong trailer ng Spider-Man? Excited pa kayo mapanood ito? Or parang naumay na kayo kasi same, di ba? So, yun. Mag-comment kayo dito sa baba and sabihin niyo kung okay o good or bad yung movie trailer na yan. So, there you go. Maraming salamat. Have a nice day and bye-bye.